One of my favorite things about Upland is that it's so much more than just a game. It's more than an investment. It's becoming the literal epitome of what a metaverse should be. Hey there, John Inner here, ssftg. We're taking a look at Metaventure sub-merchants today. Now, thanks to sub-merchanting capabilities, you just have to navigate to your favorite in-game Metaventure shop and list your NFTs for sale on their store. Now, of course, just like in the real world, some shops have specialties and focuses, and they may not accept your listing because it doesn't fit what they're trying to do. Just go over to upland.me/metaventures and scroll down. You'll be able to find all of the Block Explorer shops, the NFLPA shops. You'll find them all in the list here, all by city as well, and you can sort where you want to go from there so you know which shop you're going to and what their focus is all about. Once you find the store that you want to sell on, simply go in, list your NFLP legit. I'm going to try to sell my 2020 Andrew Wiley Essentials cap here, and I'm going to try to sell this in UPIX. You can sell in USD, and I'm going to try to sell this for 10,000 UPIX. I'm going to offer this for sale, and what this is going to do is it's going to send the shop owner a notification that I'm trying to list something on their shop. They can either approve or deny that listing, and if it does sell, this also tells me how much I'm going to get. I'll click the check mark, that will send them the notification, and we're ready to rock and roll. Same thing, head to the shop that you want to sell on, list your legits. I'm going to choose my Jarvis Landry Essentials cap here, list this in USD this time, and let's see if we can get $5 for this bad boy. Offer this for sale, check mark, and we are all set. Those of you who are ready to take the entrepreneurial bull by the horns and start your very own Metaventure, you'll be able to apply and run your own shops once they release from beta later this year. So make sure to get your assets ready. Metaventures are here.